clap your hands for the trainers. Always, Ronnie Jr. and Ronnie the Eagle chatting up here. Wow, mashallah. This is the only one eagle in Dubai. It's with us. How to take a picture, you need to wear a glove for your safety. How many exactly he will sit on your hand? You will put your hand up for him to open his wings for the picture. He's a lovely boy. Trainer Ronnie's been trained by him. The only one eagle, mashallah. He's so big, but that is a small baby till now. It's a baby eagle, only 6 years old. Mommy daddy can carry it. He will grow more bigger. Thank you, Ronnie. We appreciate it with the largest eagle in the world. From Russia. Is your number here? You don't have to show us. Okay, we're going to do it again. We're going to do it again, Ronnie. Let's go. No, any one number. It's okay. Two was good, but don't show us. Okay, one more time. New number. Okay, hide it. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. Take your time, Mr. Now. Is your number there? Yes. So we're going to drop it down. Yes. Okay. Paper number 2. Is your number there? No. So that's good. Okay, no one. Yes. Paper number 3. Is your number there? Yes. Okay, let's go for it. Paper number 4. Is your number there? Is your number here? Oh, don't show us. Don't show us the number. It's only for you. Okay, you're going to do it again, yeah? Sorry for it. Okay, last time. A secret. New number. Write it down. Okay, let's do this. Paper number 1. Is your number there? No. Okay, we're going to drop it down. Paper number 2. Is your number there? No. Okay. Paper number 3. Yes. Okay, so we got a yes. Perfect. Paper number 4. Is your number there? Yes. Okay, DJ, get it straight. Take a guess. What do you think the number is? 15. Number 15, yes, no. I think it's number 13. Okay, we're going to take it up all the way. We're going to mix up all the numbers. Somebody said 7. Let's see if the bird can find the right number. Blue, it's all on you. 1, 2, go. 5. Wow! Clap your hands. Shukra, thank you so much. 2. Sapuno, come out. Hey, we're going to do it one more time. You go for it? Are you going to do the board, yeah? Get praise now. Show it. Golden Yumaka, one of the fastest and amazing parents in the animal kingdom. Mashallah, there you go. Okay, ladies, please come join me now. We're going to call it Golden Juice. No. He said, I said 5 words. Somebody said rainbow. How about some kind of parrot hat? No. Peacock? No. Penguin? No. Itself? No. It's the face of a parrot. Which parrot? Macau? Is it no. Is it Casco? No. Which cockatoo? Rio? Amazon? No. Hey, can you ask him which parrot is this? I don't know which parrot looks like this. No. What? He's looking at me. Loricus? Is this Loricus? No.
Brazilian?
Why do you say I look like a parrot? Remove my cap. Hey, you are telling everybody this is my face like a parrot. Stop it. I don't look like kids. I look like this. Who is saying yes will not go outside? Thank you. They are fantastic around the world. His name is John. He's 7.5 years old. Famous in Brazil, Papua New Guinea, Australia. Hey, when I talk about Philippines now, everybody give our trainer Merlin a big clapping because next week trainer Merlin is flying to down. Okay, wait. Bird. Casco. Bird. Bird. She said bird. Bird. Fish. Okay. competition. Rainbow. Okay, Rainbow is the teacher. Clap your hands. Hey! So we win. 1-1. Let's play the final. Look very carefully up, because one of you is the judge. Who's going to win? We're going to change the sides. All right. So let's play the final. 1 to go. Stop cheating. Who wins? What are we talking? Daddy, who wins? Wait. Good. Daddy, remember, me and your wife is playing for green team. You are saying green team. You think again, who's team with green or gray? Okay, this man is sleeping outside tonight. Let's clap your hand, everybody. Thank you so much. Play with me and Marlene. Hands up. Good choice. Who wants with DJ Maria? You will lose. 1, 2, go! Who's going to win? Faster. Let's see who's going to win. Round one. Maria, DJ, why is your team so fast? Your team drinks Red Bull. Oh, my team drinks milk tea. Thank you so much. 1-0. Put some food. The bird flies back to your hand. Like this. So sit and eat. You close your palm, it flies back to the trailer. Like this. I need one lady who's not scared. Come. You go next. I'm going to call. Oh, don't worry. I will call one by one. Just come up and join us. Sister, stand here and your right hand like this. Like this. Yeah. What's your name? Okay, miss. Look at me. Straight like this. Okay? Don't learn half. Okay, what is name? Everybody clap your hands. Yeah, Sakri, close your mouth. MashaAllah. Thank you. Please come. I will call from every corner. There you go. Raise it out. Don't worry. Even if I cannot call you after the show, everybody is going to come to catch the ball. Yes. Ready, fly? MashaAllah. It's very beautiful to see these two cats. Close your palm all the way to go for it. It flies house. Yeah. It's around all the way. You know, they look different and their thumb is also different from the other high stars. They're going to fly back. Take it together. Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. Next you will come also. Don't worry. Let's welcome next people. What do you have to say to people as a respect?
Alright, so take it over everybody in Arabic.
Walaikum salam to everybody. Hey, what's Malik going to ask everybody here?
Hello everybody, how are you?
How are you? Hello, good. Tell everyone who waited in the morning.
How about in the morning?
Good morning. He's got some friends. Who's your best friend? Yeah. Who's the one friend, Coco, who eats all your food? Wait. Coco, you sit on the balcony and then you see a beautiful lady walking. What do you do? Only kidding. Only have their birthday. What is they have all the way? MashaAllah, happy birthday to everybody. Alright, Coco, when you go home, what do you say to your friends? Bye-bye. And also give a big clap to Khalifa, everybody, wishing him a happy birthday. Thank you, My partner is Teacher Owen. Get your cameras ready, but no flashlight. Alright, let's welcome the national bird from Brazil. Let's go! And to take it up for the one and only, welcoming the superstars. Here they are, taking together for it, welcoming what? That famous song, Together for It. The national Together for It, all the way is in the house. Together, yes, we are trying one more to say hi to you. They look small, but they are very fast, and they are very noisy and fast. Woohoo! After the show, you can also catch them on your hand. Everybody look. Fatima but remember friends, no flashlight. All flashlights should be off. Sit down, baby. Let's welcome.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.